there, welcome on to this guitar lesson for 2 AM by Foals. This is a brand new song release, so in this lesson I'm going to bring you through the following pieces, so be sure to stick to the end. So that's the main little riff, then we've our... And finally... Okay, let's get into it. Now, by the way, if you do want to grab the free PDF download of this lesson, be sure to grab it below. You'll find it below and many other songs in my song library. To begin, we're going to get into the main notes. So basically, you're going to start with the 5th fret on A, 5th fret on A, and then we do our 3rd fret on A as well. And you notice I'm palm muting. That's such a common thing with Foals. It's used in so many other tunes. So you keep your palm on the bridge of the guitar, whether you're on acoustic or electric. So we go. Now the frets go 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7. And again, make sure to grab the tab in the description below. So it goes 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7. That'll be the main rhythm. Next one you go 8. Dun, 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 dun. Exact same rhythm. This one goes from 8 to 7 to 10. So we go. 8, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10. Both parts all together go like this. 3, 4. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so that is the main riff. Now, the other part that's played throughout the song, and by the way, these go around in a repetitive riff around a loop around the whole song. But of course, you need another part as well. We can't just do that for the whole tune. And we got to get to that part too. So, the next thing I'm going to add in are the chord shapes. These chord shapes are used so much in Foals songs. They're used in like My Number. So we're basically going to go 2nd fret on A, or 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on D, pinky on 5 of A. And that's our minor shape. We have 3 different shapes in this part. We have that minor shape that goes like this. So we get 5th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. You're going to play that. For this other quick shape, it's the 3rd fret on A, 2nd fret on D, and open G string. And I am picking the root note with my thumb each time, and then the other 2 strings with my middle and ring finger, like that. Now, you'll notice there I'm using that rhythm on all of them, that picking technique. You could strum all downs, but I rather the sound of that one myself anyways, but do whichever one you wish. So, you got that. Now, even if this seems a bit advanced, do stick with it. Like, there's so much learning in this, and if you're a Foals fan, you will like to learn this chord technique in particular. So okay, we just slide that up 2 frets. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change to our major shape. That's 5th fret on G, ring finger on 7 on D, pinky on 8 on A. And in a second we're going to bring that up 2 frets as well. But before we do that, we got to do this. We got to go. We need to go back to the minor shape we had, which was 4, 5, and 7. So we go. That's what we get. So all together now with the more advanced chords, and these are basically layered on top of the bass notes I played earlier. Here, the bass notes. the chords. Alright, so that is your bass note done, that runs throughout the song, and then the more advanced chords which pop in and out throughout the song. Finally then, we have the main sort of guitar hook we hear, which is so cool. So it goes like this. It goes... Okay, so to break that down, we start with the 12th fret on the E, we slide up to 15. Now, some of you might like to do that with your middle finger or a ring. So after you do that, you go 12, 13, 14 on each string. So 12, then 13 string above that, 14 string above that. And then basically the classic sort of Foals thing you're going between 14 and 12. So it goes. And you end with 13 there. So all together. And the second half then, you slide from 13 up to 15 on the B string. Then you do that 12, 13, 14 again. So those two join go. And then we've plenty of 14s and 12s. So we go. All together we get this. We go 1, 2, 3. And it goes around again. And the second time around it ends with just 2 12s on the D string. So both those times all together go as follows. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Plenty of space. Play it again. Then 1, 2, 3. Just 2 12s. And then we're back in again like that. And that is how you play all the main 3 parts of this brand new Foals song called 2 AM. I sure hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you want to subscribe and click like to keep up to date for future lessons, including whatever else Foals release in the future, be sure to do so now. And I'll catch you in the next lesson. And by the way, another video should pop up right about now, something you might want to check out for your own playing. Thanks for watching.